Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add date box in your web pages. Okay, suppose we want to ask the user enter your date of birth. Okay, first we can use an input element and type equal to date. Okay, that helps to create a date input in browser. Okay, then comes to name attribute. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser, then we can see a date box. Okay, in date box you can change date, month, year. Okay, suppose we want to write name attribute equal to day. Okay, then what happened? As you know before, the name attribute is used to identify form data after it has been submitted to the server. Okay, then save the file and refresh. Okay, look, there is no change. Means we may or may not mention the name attribute in HTML, but in JavaScript we are discussing this topic. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.